Hello students, today we are going to discuss about matrices, rank and rank finding method, normal method and echelon method. So firstly, basic introduction of matrices is given. Matrices is nothing else rectangular arrangement of numbers where A11 is notices at first row, first column element. Similarly, A12 first row, second column element, and at the last let there would be nth column, then it is nth column first row, so this number indicates by A1n. Similarly, if we are having number of rows R1, R2 and Rm, m number of rows, then first m row, first column, it is m1. Similarly, last number, last element would be mth row, nth column, mn. So, matrices is always introduced by capital letters, capital A, capital B and so on. Main important thing for the matrices is what is the order of the matrix. So always it is represented as row into column. How many rows are given in the matrices? This is m and number of columns are n. So order of the matrices is always represented as matrices order and it is m cross n. Now let types of matrices. Rectangular, obviously rectangle shape is performed, means rows or columns are not equal. Number of rows is not equal to number of columns. Then it becomes rectangular matrices. Second, square matrix. Square, if it become a square, it is only the possible when number of rows is equal to number of column. Number of rows is equal to number of column. M is equal to n. Then it becomes square matrix. Now the next important thing, rectangular matrix, square matrix and identity matrix. Identity matrix is represented by I. If it is I2, it means order is 2 and 1, 1, 0, 0. Diagonal element is 1, then it is identity matrix. Identity matrix is always a square matrix. It is I3. I3 is third order identity matrix. 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. So, we can see identity matrix is always having 1 at the diagonal numbers and rest of all are zeros. These are basic concept and used for finding the rank. Now, for finding the rank, we have to discuss some rules. First rule is Ri interchange by any row Rj. Any two rows can be interchanged. Then matrix rank can be found. Second row or similarly any column can be interchanged. Got it everyone? Any rows can be interchanged. Any column can be interchanged. Second number, any row can be multiplied by any number and divide by any number except 0. You are not supposed to choose the number 0. Any number you can take. Multiply Ri with any number or divide any number. Similarly, any column can be multiplied and can be divided. A should not be 0. Third rule can be applied like any row can be obtained by adding or subtracting. Can't be multiply, can't be divide. Multiply or divide. Not done. Only two operation, plus or minus. Then or with row with rows, column with column. Multiply by any number with other rows can be applied. Similarly, any column can be add or subtract by multiplying any column. These are the basic rule for finding rank. Now rank. Rank is what? It is when we find it by the normal method or echelon form, then number of non-zero rows in the matrix is rank. Now, how can we find the rank? Rank is found by taking a simple example, but firstly we are taking the method normal method. Normal method, matrix A can be reduced in identity matrix. How? By using row or column transformations. What are row or column transformations? These are row and column transformations. So we can apply any one for finding the rank of the matrix. Now, how can we find the rank of a matrix? By taking a simple example.